Here, today I want to show you how to make masala akki roti. Okay, I have shown you the masala akki roti, but this is masala akki roti. For that you need rice flour, and then this is fried gram. Okay, fried gram, and this is fried groundnut seed. Now you have to powder both of them. Here I have powdered them. Okay, to this you add rice flour. I have added rice flour. Mix it. Now add required salt. Then jeera. Yeah, a bit of jeera. And now required green chilli and onion. Onion you can add a little more. I'm adding all the onion. And this is washed and kept coriander leaves. Okay, coriander. If you want, you can add little the grated carrot also. Okay. Then make a tadka of just a pinch of turmeric and mustard. Now mix it. This is the Karnataka speciality. Mix it well and add water. If you have the previous day's cooked rice, you can also add. Okay? You can add the cooked rice also, even that will taste good. If you add little warm water, then the akki roti when you make becomes quite soft. Add the water little by little, otherwise you wouldn't know how much to add. Yeah, the dough is over. See, the consistency should be like this. While making roti, if you think it is little, the roti becomes brittle, then you can add little more water. You can just here sprinkle like this. Okay. Here now in a tawa, you add about a spoon of oil and smear it. Now take a ball, the required atta, and then pat it like this. Now dip your fingers, okay? Dip your fingers in the water, and then pull it from the center to the edge. Pull it from the center to the edge. It should be thin. The akki roti should not be thick. So if you dip the fingers in the water, then the dough will not stick to your hand, stick to your fingers. Okay. Now make a small round like that, so the steam will pass and then the roti will cook evenly. Now you can put oil. Okay. Put the oil and the stove is on. Cook it. You can see here it's becoming pink, okay? And see the thickness here. You can see the thickness. It's very thin. You can see it's getting roasted. Now you can flip it. Here. See? Now you can add little more oil. Now allow this side also to become more pink like this. Okay? Here the other side is also done. Here now put off the stove and put it in the arrange it in the plate. Here the masala akki roti is ready. This can go well with any chutneys. Okay, here I have taken tomato chutney, and when you want to make it for the second time, here take this tawa under a tap and keep it like this. Here keep it like this under a tap running water. Okay, let the back of the tawa become cool. Okay, the flowing water will make the tawa cool. Then you can again make the roti. Okay, this masala roti will be very tasty. Trust me. You can add grated cucumber, grated carrot, or the dill soppu. They say that is sapsige soppu, whatever it is. Thank you very much for watching my video channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it and press the bell button for notification. Thank you. Bye-bye.